What is up, everyone? This is Red Dragon Enterprises Worldwide, wide. Just having fun today. Um, Comparing two fans that I found on Amazon. We got the Voda fan on the right, and we got a CX Home fan on the left. And I've set it up here on my garage radiant heater, and I've hooked up the heater to Alexa and a wireless thermostat. So the way that I did this was I've got a Alexa switch back there plugged into the wall, and then I've got this orange cord plugged into the Alexa switch. And then the cord goes down and attaches to this wireless thermostat actuator, if you will, that turns the power on or off. And I believe this is rated at 1500 watts. So it's just a cheap wireless thermostat that you could use anywhere. And in my case, I've got it hooked up or plugged in just to a multi-cord. And then I've got the multi-cord plugged into the fan. Excuse me. So I've got Echo, turn the garage power on. So the fan is started.
This might answer your question.
Cool.
The lowest point in
Echo.
Colorado is...
Cancel. Cool. Echo, close the garage. So I closed the garage. At the time, I think the Amazon Chamberlain garage door opener wanted a monthly fee to open the garage. So I found an app called Simple Commands that I downloaded on my phone and on the Alexa. And that's how I do the voice open garage command and close garage. Oops. Cool. The CX fan has started, which is awesome because that means that the CX fan starts spinning the fan at lower heat. Echo, open the garage. Cool. That's how my Echo opens the garage through an app called Simple Commands that I downloaded on my phone and on the Echo. Oh, I shouldn't have said Echo. Echo, close the garage. So the Vodafan still hasn't started. Oh, there we go. Speak of the devil. Cool. So the Vodafan just started, and you guys could see at the bottom of your screen what time the CX fan started and what time the Vodafan started. The Vodafan is a little bit taller. It actually has a little bit bigger fan. It looked to me like it would appear or push more air, but it doesn't really seem balanced. The fan doesn't seem to be spinning as fast as the CX Home, but it does seem a little bit wobbly too. The CX Home is really spinning. Now, the Vodafan, I noticed, has a shorter motor. There it is. And it's in kind of a hexagon shape motor holder right there. And the CX Home has a motor that's a little bit longer, but it's thinner. And the CX seems to be balanced and really just spinning like mad. So, this bigger fan blade, because it's spinning slower, doesn't really seem to be pushing as much air as even the smaller fan blade over here. It really is pushing a good amount of air directly out. The Vodafan was rated #1 on Amazon, and the CX Home was rated like 17. But the Vodafan supposedly starts up at 185 degrees Fahrenheit, while the CX fan starts up at 104. Echo, turn the garage power off. So, even in the garage, this is really efficient. You want to make sure to have your fire hydrant or fire suppressant handy in the garage if you use any type of heating source. And a carbon monoxide / smoke detector in your garage. Echo, turn the garage power on. Cool. So both of those heaters, fan heaters, work pretty good. I do like the CX Home better. The motor inside of it does seem to be spinning faster, which is really going to make this more efficient.